This is the shape we're going to analyze in today's video of the Creative Character series, where we discover hidden characters in everyday objects. But this time, we're playing a guessing game. This shape sparks so much creativity in the comments. Do you think you can guess in 10 seconds which characters were inspired by this shape? Let's get right into it. This is a character I envisioned and I started drawing it from memory, but oh my god, I was so far off. So I had to redraw the sketch to better match the actual character. Alright, and now it's time for you to put your guesses in the comments. Your 10 seconds starts now. Last chance! Now the time is up. Let's see who we've got. It's the one and only Johnny Bravo. Did you guess it? Now let's move on to the next one. Good luck! With this second shape, you might start to notice a bit of a pattern that the top spiky bit of this shape inspires sort of the same part of a body. Let's see if you can guess what we're drawing here. It's a Spartan! This next character was one of my favorites to draw. This time, the spiky bit did not inspire hair. Our character is actually bald. And the character is Gru from the Despicable Me movies. This next character is also a bit retro, similar to Johnny Bravo, and while they're from completely different universes and genres, they have a lot of similarities. And we got it done, we got Duke Nukem. This one was another incredible comment. It's completely different to all the other characters that we have just created, and it required a lot of patience because there's a lot of little details I had to get into here. Let's see if you can guess it. Dun, 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 dun. It's a shark! Did you guess it? This next character shows yet again that the pointy bit towards the top right is the part that stands out most of this shape. I wasn't familiar with this character, so I hope I did it justice. It's Yellow Diamond from Steven Universe. Thank you for your comment and helping me discover Steven Universe. This next character was super creative and so specific. It really took me a few tries to figure out how to draw it. This is the kind of comments I love because it just sparks so much creativity. Anyway, this is an animal with a big personality. Let's see if you can guess it. It's not just a bird, it's a sophisticated bird. This character yet again was one that I was not familiar with. I hope I did it justice, and interestingly it has shown up in my comments a few times. I think what was key for this character to fit in properly was to find the right angle, but apart from that it just fits spot on. Let me know what you think. Is this a glitch or are we seeing Spamton? In this final drawing, I was yet again mesmerized by your creativity. How did you see this? It's not a character, not an animal, it's something edible. Let's see if you can discover it. It's a delicious fluffy cake. Before we finish this video and I show you the finished characters, take a look at the object that will inspire our next video. I currently only have one comment which I'm drawing, so I'm hoping to get a few more comments before I finish so that I can draw them and show them in the upcoming video. And now the discovered characters. Thank you so much again for all of your comments. It makes me so happy. We're interchanging creativity with one another. See you in the next video. Bye!